Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, today we are going to learn the present indefinite tense. Let's start our today's lesson. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. In this tense is used for universal truths, our routine, work we do regularly. For example, मैं खाना खाता हूँ. I eat food. We eat food. He eat food. She eats food. They eat food. You have noticed that there is s added with he, she pronouns. Similarly, Ali eats food. You have noticed that there is also s in with the verb used for Ali. So for third person singulars, he, she, it, or any single name, any name take s or es with main verbs. Let's have a look over subject pronouns. Subject pronoun, first person. Subject pronouns. I am writing here independently because they are used excessively for the example of the tenses. So this is first person, this is second person, and here we write the person third person. I, we. For second person, both singular and plural are you. He, she, it, or any name. They. You have noticed that you have to memorize the third person singular he, she, it. This singular third person singular is special case for all the tenses we are going to learn in future. So you have to memorize it. He, she, it. Thank you very much for watching our lesson. For more lessons, keep watching and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.